Hi, I'm Meadow at Sunday Afternoons, and I'm thrilled to be bringing you our all-new Latitude hat. Now, this is one of the widest brims in the Sunday Afternoons line, so you're going to be getting excellent UPF 50+ sun protection. Got a lot of great features, and let's start with the fabric. This is a lightweight, breathable microfiber polyester. It's UPF 50+. It is DWR coated, which means it's stain and water resistant. It is breathable, and it's also bluesign certified, which is sustainably produced fabric. Now, if we take a look at some of the other features, we've got this great ventilation panel keeping you cool when it gets hot outside. Around in the back, we have a shock cord sizing, and the brim size itself, we're a little 4 inches plus here, 4 inches on the side, and then around in the front, it is 3 3/4 inches. But that's not all. One of my favorite features with the Latitude hat is, of course, our Sunglass Lock technology. You just pop your sunglasses up here through the sleeve. It locks into place. It's not going anywhere, so you're never gonna lose your shades. So let's take a look under the hood. Now, of course, we've got this dark underbrim, protects your eyes from glare, but you wouldn't notice this. It is our reverse split folding brim. So check that out. Super wide brim hat. Folds in half so you can pack it down a little bit smaller when you're throwing it in a suitcase or a bag. Now, a couple of other features. We've got a wicking sweatband, chin strap to keep it on when it gets windy, and a hidden pocket up top for your essentials. Again, this is the Latitude hat by Sunday Afternoons. I'm Meadow, and don't forget your hat.